All right, so we are going to knit some leg warmers using super bulky yarn, knit in the round. So I am using Haya interchangeable needles with a 3.5 inch tip, and I'm using the 16-18 inch cable. And I am using the size 11 tip, but you can use a size 13 if you knit a little on the tight side. I just think I knit a little on the loose side, so I go with a size 11. And I am going to be casting on 28 stitches. And I'm just going to go walk you guys through this so you can see how it comes together. I'm a visual learner, so even if you guys don't watch this whole thing, at least you can skip to the parts that are pertinent to what you want to learn. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to count though. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I still love the long tail cast on method. It's simple and easy. So that's what it looks like. Okay, I know that they don't go all the way to the tip, but they will stretch. It stretches. And here, if you have a stitch marker, you'll want to place a stitch marker. I did not grab one before I got started. And 28 stitches, we're going to knit 2, purl 2. So I don't include this in the first stitch, but you can if you want to help reinforce it. Knit that into even the first couple of stitches. So we're going to knit 2, purl 2 to get that rib. And I am making, if yours comes in different sizes, I'm making a size large. So we're going to purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. So it does stretch them out. This first row around is, it looks like it's not going to work, but it does. It all works out. And I have definitely probably knit over 100 pairs of these leg warmers using Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick yarn. I love leg warmers. And whenever I first got started knitting my business, I knit and sold boot cuffs, a lot of boot cuffs and a lot of leg warmers and some hats. So now I am back to the beginning because I have 2 stitches there. And since I don't have a stitch marker, I'll put my ring on there just so I have a reference. I like to have the visual aid. So this is our row 2 or round 2. I don't count my cast on as a round. And see how it's kind of loosening up a little bit so it looks nicer. And if you are knitting the large size with the cast on of 28, you will want to repeat this for 5 rounds, the knit 2, purl 2. Well, I guess it depends on which ones you're making. Because like Daring is just knit 2, purl 2 all the way up. So you have a nice ribbed rib stitch all the way up. And then this starts round 3. And that's all I'll demonstrate for you for today. But that way you can see that's the beginning. So to me, that still needs a little bit more reinforcement because that's just a little too loose. But it does, I mean, it's not all stretched out like I would think that it would, even though whenever it's finished, that's about the size of it. But you can still knit it in the round using the 3.5-inch tips. And it does, I promise it comes out okay because I've knit literally over 100 pairs of these leg warmers. I do love them for myself and for others. So I hope that helped you guys see this come together so that you have the confidence. It's just, for me, it's a visual thing. And once I see it, it's like, oh, okay. So I hope that triggers something for you guys. And it's like, oh, okay, that's how it looks. And that's, once I see it and it's like, okay, I'm on the right track, then I'm good to go. So I hope that helps you guys know that you're on the right track. And you guys can send me an email or leave me a comment below if you have any questions. And thank you guys so much for watching.